Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect OpenArt MCP to Claude AI. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to sign into your account of Claude AI, and from the left sidebar, you're going to click on Customize. Over here from the left sidebar, you're going to scroll down and click on Connectors, and then you're going to click on Add. And here it says you can add, and then from the left sidebar, you're going to click on Connectors. Over here, you're going to click on Add at the top right corner and click on Add Custom Connectors. First of all, you're going to type in the name of your MCP. So I'm going to type in the name OpenArt, and then you're going to go to the website of OpenArt AI/MCP, and then scroll down till you find the URL of the MCP server. So you can see this is the URL. So all you need to do is simply click on this copy button over here, and you'll be able to see the MCP URL has been copied. Next, you're going to go back to Claude and click on Remote MCP Server URL and paste that down. You can also select some advanced settings. Once done, simply click on Add. And now it says you're not connected to OpenArt yet because you'll need to authorize. So click on Connect and you'll be taken over to OpenArt AI page where you'll be asked to sign in with your account. Once done, you'll be able to see OpenArt has finally been connected to your Claude AI. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.